Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we're going to go over on our 2012 Toyota Camry. I'm going to go over how you'd remove this door panel and the procedures to do that. So to be able to remove this door panel, we need to find the screw access. So we got to pop this, screw this. This is a window switch module thing. Just take your non-marring tool, get it in there, pop this up. Undo the electric. Right, with that electric undone, we now see that we have the access to one screw right here. And we're going to pop this other cover up. And we've got another screw right there. So there's the two screws right there. And we'll just set that to the side. And then back in here, got a cover plate, we got a screw there. So we'll undo these three screws and then we'll go through the other process. You should just fill up screws. Alright, those three screws undone. This is just a little cover here. Just pull on it. It's got just the little push pin tabs that lock in here. So now we've got those all removed. And same thing, we're just going to have to work our way around. All right, now with those all the push pins popped up way on the side, and all you got to do now is just raise the whole thing up, pull it up, and then we're going to have to disconnect the cables back here. It's just a matter of twisting them. Pulling them off, and then we've got one electric down here. So that's how you remove the door panel, the inner door panel of your Toyota Camry. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.